welcome to this IVF session today evening. My name is Satya Prasad on behalf of Smart LABTECH in association with ESCO Singapore. And Smart LABTECH is the authorized sales and service representative for ESCO in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. ESCO has got three divisions: life sciences, healthcare and pharmaceutical, and medical segment. And this particular session is related to medical segment, and that too it is from IVF sector. And all of the guests who are assembled here are from the medical field and especially from IVF sector.
So ESCO is a global leading life science company. We were founded in the year 1978. Majorly used in laboratories and research centers. Secondly, we have ESCO Medical. This is our second vertical, majorly dealing with IVF equipments, specialized incubators, softwares and consumables for the IVF operations. Thirdly, we have ESCO Healthcare, majorly dealing with pharmaceutical equipment such as isolators and radiopharmacy tools. So this is about the three different verticals under ESCO Life Sciences Group.
Incubators are essential in every IVF lab, as embryos spend most of their time in vitro developing inside the incubator. So this becomes a very crucial piece of equipment in the IVF lab.
We have a different wide range of products for the ESCO Medical IVF sector. For sample handling, we have the multi-zone ART workstation. Then we have the anti-vibration table and the centrifuge. For the embryo culture, we have the basics box type model, which comes in 50 liter, 170 and 240.
And then you will observe fragments into the embryos and all that. Before it comes, I use only 3/4 of the cylinder. That is always the rule I followed throughout my career.
HPLC grade sterile water. After 4 months also, if you do a culture test for that, it will be negative.
Thank you all for sharing your knowledge and the best practices to be followed in the laboratories. All of us surely learn something out of your long years of experience.